A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are fit and fine.
Our next topic is estimation. Now, estimation means to round off the numbers. Why do we need to estimate? Like if we talk about very large numbers, like I'm saying that around 500 people are traveling in this train. Now, I don't have to give the exact number that whether it is 470 or it is 510. I'm rounding off the number to 500 because that will be more easy. We say that they spent around 20,000 on that trip. Now it can be 18,000 or it can be 22,000, but we take an approximate value that is 20,000. Now we are rounding off the number to nearest 10, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand. Let's say I am taking a number 82. I have to round off this number to nearest tens. It means I have to make this last digit 0. We'll see the last digit of the number. Last digit is 2.
Less than
now
5
we have to see
or
whether
this digit is greater than 5.
If this digit is less than 5, which is 2 is less than 5. So what will happen is this digit at tens place will remain same and this 2 will become 0. 8 will remain same and this 2 will become 0. Now let's say I'm taking a number 87. Now this last digit 7 is greater than 5. So now what will happen? Instead of 7, so we have to write 0 only. But the digit at tens place, it will become 9. 8 will become 9. So the rounded off value will be 90. So what you have to do is, when you have to estimate to nearest tens, you will see the last digit. If last digit is less than 5, then digit at tens will not change. It will remain same. But if the digit is greater than 5 or equal to 5, if it is 85, then also this 8 will change to 9. Next we have to round off this number to nearest 100. Now for hundreds, how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. It means in the number how many zeros you have to make? 2 zeros. 28 is less than 50 or greater than 50. 28 is less than 50. It means this number at hundreds will not change. So 828 will become 800. So now let's say I'm taking 869. Now again 2 zeros are there, so you have to make 2 zeros. So instead of 69 you will write 2 zeros. Now 69 is greater than 50. It means you have to add 1 to this number. So 8 will become 9. So 869 will become 900. Next is nearest
9
thousands.
to 1.
Let's say I am taking a number. Now how many zeros are there in 1000? 3 zeros. It means how many zeros you have to make here? 3 zeros. So 921 will become 000. What will happen to this 6? You have to see 921 is greater than 500. It is greater than 500. It means this number will become 7. Let's say 6231. Now 231 is less than 500. It means 6 will remain same. So it will become 6000. Next we have to estimate sum and difference. Means while adding and subtracting, how can you use estimation? Like I am taking two numbers 5630 and 17926. 6, 8. Now you have to add these two numbers and estimate the sum. Means what you have to do is estimate the sum of these two numbers. But they haven't mentioned in the question that up to which digit you have to estimate. So how will you know? You will see that which number is smaller from both the numbers. We know that this number is smaller than this number. So now from this you will get an idea up to which place value you have to estimate. We know that this is a 4-digit number, है ना? So it means you can round off this number to 1000 only. Means you can make only these three numbers 0. Because if you estimate up to 10,000, so all these digits will become 0. So it means you will estimate this number up to 3 digits. So this number will also be estimated up to thousands. Thousands means 3 zeros, 268. So now estimate the value 5630. You have to round off the value to thousands. Okay? So now thousands में these 3 digits you have to make 0. So you will see whether 630 is greater than 500 or less than. 630 is greater than 500. So 630 will become 000, and instead of 5 you will add 1 to 5, so it will become 6. So it will become 6000. Now next 179268. Again you will see these three numbers. 268 is less than 500. Instead of 268 you will write 000, and this digit 9 will remain same because 268 is less than 500. So it will be 179,000. So you will add these two numbers. After adding these two numbers, you will get 000581. So this is the answer. Likewise, you can find the difference also. You just have to subtract. You will subtract the smaller number from the greater one. Other process is same. You have to round off the product of two numbers. So let's say I am taking 496 into 24. In case of product, you can round off the values to different places also. Like 496, it can be rounded off to hundreds, and 24, it can be rounded off to tens. So these can be different in case of product, but in case of sum and difference, these will be same. So 496 can be rounded off to hundreds. So 496 will become 500. 24 will become 20. So product of 520 will become 1000. So 1000 is the answer.